Hey there, how are you doing? Thank you so much for checking out this video. This is Ash from Fetch Profits. If you've been wondering how to go live on Facebook to boost your reach, to boost your engagements, and to really put your content marketing on steroids, live stream is a great way to go about it. These are several ways that you could go live stream by using Facebook. The first one is obviously to log into your Facebook profile. Inside your Facebook profile, you have access on the top right corner to switch into the relevant profile that you would like to use when you're creating posts or when you're managing or when you're engaging. Default way is to obviously use your personal profile. So if you click on your personal profile here on the top right corner, your personal profile shows up. You could go live by using your personal profile itself by clicking on this option here that says live video, where you normally create a post. If you click on live video here, you'll be taken to the live producer inside Facebook, where you have the option of going live right away, or you can create a live video event, which we will talk about a little while later inside the video. If you like to use Facebook Live for your business page, then you will need to switch over to that particular page. So click on the top right corner again, click on see all profiles and choose the particular brand page that you would like to go live from and select that. Facebook will automatically switch you over to your relevant business page to go live from. If you wanted to find this option inside your business page as you would normally manage it, then this is how your business page looks like. And right here, just as you would with your personal profile, you would see an option here that says live video. Click on live video from inside your Facebook business page and you will get to the same live producer page where you can go ahead and create a live session. The other way to do this is to use the Meta Business Suite. Now, Meta Business Suite gives you access to other features that you normally don't have access to from within your personal profile or from within your regular business page management. So you would get here and get access to lots of other tools as well. If you like to watch the video on Meta Business Suite overview and how to claim your assets before you begin to use Meta Business Suite, please do click on the links below in the summary notes or in the description. Log into Meta Business Suite. Take note of this particular button here that says more and then click on go live, which will take you to the same live producer page that I was talking about in previous instances. One of the other ways to do live streaming is to use what is called as Restream. Restream gives you even more features than what is available natively inside any social media platform. Get yourself a copy of Restream by going to fetchprofits.com/Restream and explore the features yourself. But once you log into Restream, this is how it's going to look like. You can set up Restream by using RTMP URL and a stream key, which you will need to input into the particular live producer. Once you get to the live producer, no matter how you get to, then you have two options. You can go live right away or you can schedule a live video event. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to just use go live now and I'm going to create a test broadcast, toggle the switch on and then click on select. Facebook will give you lots of options on managing live stream. Now the first thing it will ask for, if you haven't done this before, is access your camera and access your microphone. And once you click on that little prompt, so you will be able to see yourself when you're about to set yourself up for the live stream. Now you have two options. You either have a webcam or you have a streaming software that you could use, such as Streamlabs, Restream, or OBS Studio. The choice is yours. You have camera controls right here. You can choose the relevant camera. If you're using multiple cameras, then you can choose the appropriate one. You also have similar access to microphones. You also have an overview or a preview of how your video looks like. You also have access to post details that you can add a little bit of an input about what your event is all about so that people get a context as to what you're trying to do. Add a title there and add a description. On the left side panel, have some features and settings available for you. You also have a host of interactivity tools that you can take advantage of, such as polls, questions, prompts, graphics. Lower third, click on interactivity. You have deploy a chatbot. You have the ability to create polls and questions. You can create graphics as well. But note that to use graphics, you would have to use a streaming software. And you also have prompts that you could actually create. Prompts are nothing but featured links, calls to action leading to landing pages or certain pages on your website that you want people to take action on while you're doing the live streams. Once you are done, you can create your post details here, push it and then go live. Do a live stream from your Facebook profile, from your Facebook brand page, from within the Meta Business Suite, or by using a software such as Restream, and you can get access to several other features that you can use and make your live streaming work. So this is how you use your Facebook live streaming. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.